Alright, hello. Doing another bass recording of a song called All the Poor and Powerless by All Sons and Daughters. And it's in the A, key of A. And the bass, you have to listen to it. You might have to run it more than once, but it comes in on the second verse on the second measure, the downbeat of the second measure. So the second verse starts 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the bass comes in on the 1 of the second measure. And so, alright, coffee is important to every musician. So get your coffee and then follow along.
All the poor and powerless, and all the lost and lonely, and all the thieves will come confess and know that you are holy, and know that you are holy. And all will sing out hallelujah.